So this is the second day we was in Texas. We got to go out to Tomb, which is Texas Outlaw Mini Bikes, dirt track and endurance track. Go Power Sports toted us down there, brought a bunch of toys. We had a ton of bikes to ride and had a great time. We got a lot of wrecks, a lot of stuff broken, but no one got seriously injured, and we had a great time. So thank you, Tomb, for having us. Go check them out in the description below. Will be all their links to their social media. Thank you, Go Power Sports, for providing us with this trip. I didn't end up racing in the main race because I didn't want to get hurt and run our whole trip down there. We had a lot of stuff to do, so I was like, Lonnie, you can go out there and race. So a lot of good stuff here. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and go check out Tomb on social media. So I made it out to the dirt track. Probably getting a ton of wind noise, but I'm gonna try to film all we can. Ton of bikes.
Endless selections.
This is Texas Bike Week.
Yeah, you did. I'll bring 12 bikes. There's a bunch.
So I won the first race and wrecked on the second race. You go big or you go home, you know?
I don't know yet. He ran over my arm.
Yeah, let's go walk in and sit down.
Boy, this party really died.
So the dingo is dead for the day. Ferris, you feel all right?
Yeah, just a little back pain.
She came up on one tire. You was hooning it.
You know, I first I told him, I was like, you know what? Don't be afraid to pop a wheelie because it'll hit. It scrapes right down here. It's got a little flat spot on there, so you can pop it the wheelie without it flipping. But popped it and just kept riding, and then boom.
So
one wheel.
It bent the roll cage. I think you can kind of see the hankerman on it, and then the gas tank got dented in.
Yeah.
Light bar dead.
Now I don't know if one of these things looks normal and one of these things just looks a little different. I don't know if you can tell which one's bent. But we got a adult-owned, slightly used, like new. Maybe just needs a little restore.
Pre-cambered. It's cambered
Go-kart for sale, all right?
Yeah, we're just glad, of course, he's all right, because that was scary.
Yeah.
These little bars, you know, they would have to have some reinforcements to really protect you, to be honest.
It protected what's important, the engine, right? Yeah. Not so much Ferris, right? So kids, this is why newer go-karts have roll cages and seat belts.
And always wear a helmet.
Yeah, I mean, stuff like this. You know, this is what happens when you put a 13 horsepower engine in a 5 horsepower go-kart.
Yeah.
Disappointing day.
Season's over. We was top in points. Lonnie got 5th place. The young dude that wrecked the go-kart, he got first, which we said at the first of it.
Yeah, he's the fastest.
Yeah. He's young and nimble. Road and brittle.
You win. Perfect.
Redbeards Garage is powered by GoPowersports.com. GoPowersports has a huge amount of awesome go-kart and mini bike parts, and when making your purchase, use the Redbeard discount code in the upper right hand corner of your shopping cart to grab yourself a sweet deal. Hit that subscribe button and make sure the notification bell is on so you'll never miss another episode, and go check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest to stay up to date with the channel. Guys, always come back to Redbeards Garage. I'm out.